అపోలో సూపర్ స్పెషాలిటీ హాస్పిటల్లో వరల్డ్ క్లాస్ వైద్య సేవలు. హెల్దీ హార్ట్ ప్రోగ్రాం కింద అతి తక్కువ ఖర్చుతో ఏడాది పాటు వైద్యం అందిస్తామంటున్న అపోలో సీఈఓ సందీప్ చత్రత్. వరల్డ్ క్లాస్ హెల్త్ కేర్ కు అచ్చమైన చిరునామా అపోలో హాస్పిటల్స్. అంతర్జాతీయ ప్రమాణాలతో వైద్యం అందిస్తూ ప్రపంచంలో సరికొత్త రికార్డులను అపోలో వైద్యులు నెలకొల్పుతున్నారు. హార్ట్, లివర్, కిడ్నీ ట్రాన్స్ప్లాంటేషన్ లో విజయవంతమైన శస్త్రచికిత్సలు నిర్వహిస్తూ ఎందరికో ప్రాణదానం చేస్తున్నారు. అత్యాధునిక సదుపాయాలతో కూడిన 1066 అంబులెన్స్ తో ఉచిత సేవలు అందించడం విశేషం. హెల్దీ హార్ట్ ప్రోగ్రాం పేరిట అతి తక్కువ ఫీజుతోనే ఏడాది పాటు ఒక స్కీమ్ ను అందుబాటులోకి తెచ్చారు. నిపుణులైన వైద్య బృందం అత్యాధునిక సదుపాయాలతో సేవలు అందిస్తామంటున్న అపోలో హాస్పిటల్ సీఈఓ డాక్టర్ సందీప్ చత్రత్ తో ప్రతినిధి హారిక ఫేస్ టు ఫేస్.
హెల్త్ కేర్లో అగ్రగామి సంస్థగా పేరొందింది అపోలో హాస్పిటల్స్. ఇంటర్నేషనల్ స్టాండర్డ్స్ విలువ ఉన్న ఈ వైద్యాన్ని అపోలో హాస్పిటల్స్ అందిస్తుంది. 1999లోనే కార్డియక్ సర్జరీ స్టంట్స్ అవి కూడా వేసి అపోలో ఎంతో మంచి స్థాయి వైద్యాన్ని అందిస్తుంది ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి. మరి ఇప్పుడైతే మన ముందున్నారు అపోలో సీఈఓ ఉన్నారు. 2 రాష్ట్రాలకి తెలంగాణ అటు ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ సీఈఓ ఉన్నారు సందీప్ చత్రత్ గారు. ఆయన్ని మరిన్ని వివరాలు అడిగి తెలుసుకునే ప్రయత్నం చేద్దాం ఈ అపోలో గురించి. సార్ జీ బోలియే అపోలో కే బారే మే.
You see, Apollo Hospitals Visakhapatnam is one of the most affordable super specialty care provider now for the entire state of Andhra Pradesh, and we are fully impaneled with Arogyashri, EHS, and have the best infrastructure and facility in the state of Andhra Pradesh. Apollo Hospitals Visakhapatnam Health City Arilova is a center of excellence for organ transplantation, and we have created a world record actually by performing in the first year of its starting heart, liver and kidney triple transplantation 2 times in the year. This is a world record. So the main highlight of our hospital is organ transplantation. Especially we are doing lot of cadaveric organ transplantation for heart transplant, liver transplant and kidney transplant. Since we have our old hospital at Ramnagar, who is working since last 17 years, Apollo Hospitals Vizag has performed nearly 400 kidney transplants till now, and 14 liver transplants and 2 heart transplantation. Besides organ transplantation, our forte is cardiology, and we have performed nearly 50,000 cardiac procedures Apollo Hospitals Vizag till now, and that too with a success rate of 99%. And definitely in the cardiac care, Apollo is number 1 in the state of Andhra Pradesh. Our third prime focus area is of joint replacements, and Apollo has one of the best teams for doing joint replacements, and recently we started a campaign on the regrow, that without joint replacement also you can regrow the joint. That unique technology is available with Apollo only, and joint replacement and orthopedics is our third center of excellence. We are treating lot of patients from the states of Odisha, Chhattisgarh, of course Vizag and East West Godavari region for trauma. And trauma care, our 1066 ICU on wheels ambulance care is the only GPS enabled ambulance care in the entire region. And our one ambulance we spend 50 lakhs rupees, and it has the best infrastructure, even ventilator, spine boards, all sort of pacemaker facility. It's a full-fledged hospital on wheels, and we have like this 12 ambulances in the state of Andhra Pradesh, and we are especially able to save the cardiac patients, the patients who develop trauma, accident emergency, stroke patients, lot of patients who develop require neurosurgery, stroke and poisoning cases. In all these 4 things, time is muscle, and there is a concept of golden hour. So with our state-of-the-art ICU on wheels ambulance services, we are the pioneers and are providing the best trauma care facility in the state of Andhra Pradesh. We also have one of the best team for the gastroenterology, and latest facilities like capsule endoscopy is there, and we are very much focused on As I mentioned, we have a hepatologist working with us, and GI surgery, we have super specialist doctors available, and that is one area that for the advanced gastro work, we have one of the best facilities at our Arilova Health City Hospital. Besides this, Apollo Hospital focus is now also we are doing good number of mother and child cases, and we are conducting every month around 15 to 20 deliveries in our hospital. As I mentioned, it is a full-fledged super specialty hospital, and where all specialties are present under one roof at a affordable price. That price is nearly 35% less than Hyderabad hospital rates. So what people are experiencing is in their neighborhood. First, they don't have to travel far off like Hyderabad for taking or Chennai to take super specialty care. That care is available in their neighborhood at, as I tell you, 1/3 less price. So they are finding it very beneficial for them. And especially I also want to say that because we get patients from outside Vizag also, we have beautiful rooms for the attendants of the patients, recliners and air conditioned facilities are there. So these who have come out of state, they don't need to take a hotel for staying. In the hospital itself we have that facility. Our general wards also in the hospital, we provide air conditioned environment and bed for attendant, because we have seen in this region that most of the places the hospitals are not providing air conditioned and attendant bed. They have to lie on floors for the general wards. So Apollo believes, in line with the vision of our respected chairman Dr. Pratap C. Reddy ji, we believe in providing health for all and international class super specialty care at affordable price. The highlight about Vizag Hospital is the infrastructure, facilities, equipments and team of doctors is the best in the world. One of the best teams we have here. But the affordability part is very important, that people don't feel that it is a costly hospital. It's a very affordable hospital. That is a main advantage. And on the occasion of World Heart Day, our respected chairman Dr. Pratap C. Reddy and our joint managing director Madam Sangeeta Reddy and our president Dr. Hari Prasad launched the new program for Healthy Heart program. Now this Healthy Heart program is a very unique program where we are giving 80% discount, and for the one entire year, the 4 consultations by cardiologists, there are around 20 high-end investigations which a cardiac patient needs to go through. All that included in this, and fortnightly visit for the consultation by a family doctor, healthy heart doctor is also included. So all that combined together, cost comes nearly 20,000, which we are offering through 3,250 rupees and through Paytm 2,950 rupees. So this is a flagship program to provide the best comprehensive cardiac care. It is not just for treating patient but for the prevention and reversal of cardiac disease. So act before the attack. We are working a lot as per our chairman's vision to prevent heart attacks and to have, because you know in India there is a highest incidence of cardiac patients, highest diabetes, highest cancer. So to fight this epidemic of non-communicable diseases, our management has rolled out this program which is running very successfully at Apollo Hospital, Visakhapatnam, as well as I have a hospital in Kakinada also. Both places in Andhra Pradesh is doing very well.
So how many hospitals are there in worldwide? How many hospitals are there?
Apollo Hospitals has total around 70 hospitals. Our latest hospital has been started in Guwahati around 3 months back.
Okay.
And in Andhra Pradesh we have 3 hospitals, 2 in Vizag, 1 in Kakinada. In Telangana we have 5 hospitals, 4 in Hyderabad, including Jubilee Hills, Sikandrabad, DRDO, Hyderguda and Karimnagar. So I am the regional head of 8 hospitals of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. and Apollo Vizag Vishakhapatnam is emerging as one of the best care facilities, especially because of our team of doctors. We have most experienced doctors working with us here, like Dr. Barua, Dr. Panigrahi, Dr. Faruqi, people like Dr. Narayan Rao, Dr. Murlidhar, Dr. Satish Babu, Dr. Anita. We have best team of doctors. That's the highlight of our hospital, because without the best team of doctors, we cannot offer the best care.
Yes, sir. Sir, in this hospital, any international doctors are there to treat the patients?
Yeah, as I mentioned, lot of our doctors have been trained abroad. Like I was mentioning about Dr. Anita, she is a physician who has been qualified by American board. Similarly, in critical care also we have Dr. Achut. He has spent most of his time in US and England in training. So lot of international doctors, because they were wanting to come back to their state, but this sort of infrastructure was not available. Now we spent 200 crores on this hospital at Arilova Health City. So they came back. They want to practice in their own state. And I was mentioning about team of doctors like Dr. Naveen Palla and orthopedician, very good doctors, Rajesh Venkat in neurology, Dr. Madhusudan Babu, Dr. Varaprasad, means the best doctors you will find with Apollo. That is a highlight. Dr. Srinivas in gastroenterology, Dr. Manish Verma is our main transplant surgeon, Dr. Gokhale is doing heart transplant, Dr. Manish Verma liver transplant, Dr. Subbarao for the renal transplant, Dr. Anil Kumar Petro in nephrology, so Dr. Vamsidhar in nephrology. So what I wanted to give is few names, so that plastic surgery we have Dr. Sunita, the best doctors you will find working with Apollo. And the second important is the best equipment. We have 6 modular operation theatres at Arilova Health City. Now these are made as per the international norms. In international norms, we need to have HAPA filters and modular operation theatres, so that the risk of infection to the patient is minimized. So that we are achieving in our hospital by having the state-of-the-art operation theatres. That's why we have been able to successfully do advanced transplantation also in a successful way. And critical care we have around 80 beds which are having as per the international norms. You see, the critical care we have cubicles, so that the infection of one patient cannot spread to other. And availability of daylight is very important, because the patient becomes depressed if daylight is not there. So that all facilities we have here, and for critical care and advanced operation theatre, which is a very big advantage. And in all the equipments, advanced equipments, you will find latest MRI, CT scan, mammography machine. Like we have the latest mammography machine, cost more than 1 crore, which is not available anywhere in Vishakhapatnam. So these sort of latest equipments and best team of doctors. And the third important part is our protocols and systems, that we are following the international protocols for the patient feedback, for the quality of care. And that is why I am very happy to share that our most of the patients who are taking treatment from us are going delighted, and they are telling to everyone that Apollo Vizag, like the preferred destination. That is why we have grown so fast in last 1.5 years, because of love and affection of people. They feel that it is affordable, but high quality care is also being provided in neighborhood at a lesser cost. And the best doctors, best equipments, best team of paramedics, nurses, all this, we specially trained them through our processes and systems. And by rigorous training, we are able to offer them the best quality of care. That results in lot of advantage. And rare branches like sports medicine, and then bariatric surgeries, all these are also being practiced in our hospitals. Because of great teamwork, we are able to keep the patient very happy, satisfied, and then they are telling to others also that in the neighborhood only take the care for the. That's why from Odisha we get lot of patients. From Srikakulam we are getting huge number of patients. From Tuni, from East Godavari region we are getting huge number of patients. We are getting patients from Behrampur, from Koraput region, Chhattisgarh, Jagdalpur, then Raigad. All these lot of patients, they are coming to us and they are feeling that difference. And I am sure once you take a round in our hospital, you will find that the infrastructure facility is so neat and clean and so professional look is there that just one round will make people understand the difference. And that is why our hospital is one of the fastest growing hospitals in the country today. And we have excellent team in administration, in our various departments, whether material, marketing, and everywhere you will find the best team of people working with us. So I am very happy that with our excellent teamwork, we have been able to grow with the excellent teamwork and camaraderie. Now this Healthy Hat program is one program which we want people to know, because at 80% discount.
So what is Healthy Health?
Healthy Heart is basically a program in which for one entire year the patient heart will be taken care of in 3,250 rupees, and there will be 4 consultation by cardiologist, 10 consultations he can do or even more for a healthy heart doctor. And there are around 15 investigations which are also part of this, including CT coronary angio also. So what I want to highlight is, this is a program in which if somebody gets enrolled into, then for entire 1 year we will provide treatment at no additional cost. And the actual cost of which is nearly 20,000, which we are giving 3,250 rupees. Then annually he has to pay some amount. And especially good for people who are after 40 years, they have risk of developing heart disorders. So by there will especially yoga, there will be special diet advice, there will be special advice on physiotherapy and various things, so that the disease of heart can be prevented. So this is a very important milestone which we want to highlight at this stage. Organ transplantation is another very important care, and highlighting especially our 1066 number. We want all of to please note this number, because in the event of emergency, this hospital on wheels, when it reaches, then treatment starts there itself rather than after shifting of patient. So we've been able to save around 5,000 lives because of this. So awareness about our 1066 number, we want to go to the masses and classes in big way, so that they can take advantage of our trauma care services. We don't have very good ambulance services in the city, and the ambulances are there, but they are not having all that great equipment.
So here's having?
Pardon?
Here's having the ambulance?
Yeah, here our ambulance, I told you, is 50 lakh rupees we are spending, and in one ambulance. And in that ambulance we are having advanced ICU like facilities like defibrillator, ventilator, pacemaking facility, spine boards, big oxygen arrangement is there 24 hours that ambulance patient can maintain a patient on oxygen. So it is as per American Heart Institute certified ambulance services which we are having. So this message goes to patients, definitely it helps a great way. Because if they are not aware, and for lot of our patients who are coming for admissions, we are many times not charging also anything. And we have seen that people are charging huge amount for ambulances, and they made it a business. We are doing it as a service, so that through that we are able to reach the patients. And let this message go to everyone that we are fully empaneled with Arogya Shri, especially for heart patients. We have the latest urology laser facility, and especially for those kidney stone patients and nephrology and renal transplantation. We have one of the best facilities. We have full-fledged blood bank, and this blood bank is one of the best blood banks you will find. Most advanced blood bank and laboratory services. We have most advanced auto analyzers. So all this blood bank and laboratory services are like backbone, because all patients need to go through investigations and they require blood. So we brought the best blood banking facility to Andhra Pradesh through our hospital. That is also making lot of difference, that people don't need to run here and there. In one place itself, they are finding all specialties, all services. So they are making it as a preferred destination. Now we are also getting few patients from outside India, and foreigners also, they are coming to us for taking treatment. And especially in Andhra University, there are a lot of students, and Vizag is such a beautiful place. Lot of foreigners and visitors come, and Pharma City, we have lot of people who are from outside. So we keep on now treating around every month 8-10 patients, foreigners also, and they are also feeling great appreciation for our services once they come and they experience that 1:1 personalized care. That is main thing, the personalized care. And even after patient goes discharged, we are giving them a post-discharge feedback call. It's going to them, in which we ask them how was our services, what was their experience. So this special initiative is how we keep the patients who are coming to us delighted, very happy. And we have around 20 different type of health checkups with us, depending on the age of patient, his build, his risk factors. The personalized health checkups can be also given to them depending on what they need. Like for females there is separate, for children separate, for obese people, for cardiac there is separate health checkup, for those patients, children, this is separate. So different depending on age and sex, we are able to provide them the best health checkup facilities. And that is one area that if you see our health checkup department, you will find it one of the best departments you have ever seen. And people come there, then they come back more often, because they experience that we are providing them breakfast, and same day itself you will get the report for the health check. It's not that they have to keep on coming time and again. Yeah, so within 6 hours we are giving them the health checkups reports. So thank you for giving us opportunity.
Actually, I need to ask you a question. So what is the secret of the success?
Secret of success is, madam, teamwork, and it's about lot of hard work. Like we stretch around 18 hours every day we are working, and state government has, especially our honorable Chief Minister Shri Chandrababu Naidu ji has given us the best management award on 1st May, and it's about lot of working together, making a team effort, having the best doctors, infrastructure, and then lot of effort, hard work. And I always say the secret of success lies in hard work. If we work hard and work from our heart, mind, soul, all three combined, then the result comes in the best way. It's not just working from your mind or working from your heart. It has to be from heart, mind, body, soul, everything combined together. Then that's the secret of our success.
Sir, how many heart transplantation surgeries had done in Apollo, in overall, in entire branches?
You see, Apollo has the maximum solid organ transplant program in the world now. And every month we are doing around 10 heart transplantation, and especially for last 2-3 months I can tell this figure. Earlier it was around 5 which we were doing, and similarly on liver transplant also every month we are doing around, I would say, close to around 15 liver transplant to 20 liver transplants. And so there is lot of, for organ transplantation, for kidney transplantation, again every month Apollo does maybe around 50 kidney transplantations. Every month 50 kidney transplant on every month we are doing. Then I am telling pan India for all the Apollo hospitals.
ఆర్గన్ ట్రాన్స్ప్లాంటేషన్లో ఇప్పటికీ ఒక కొత్త ప్రపంచం సృష్టించిందనే చెప్పుకోవాలి. అపోలో ఇంటర్నేషనల్ స్టాండర్డ్స్తో లివర్ ట్రాన్స్ప్లాంటేషన్ కానీ, అలాగే హార్ట్ ట్రాన్స్ప్లాంటేషన్ కానీ, కిడ్నీ ట్రాన్స్ప్లాంటేషన్ కానీ, ఇలా ఎటువంటిదైనా కూడా సుమారు నెలకి 10 నుంచి 15 వరకు చేస్తున్నారని చెప్పుకోవాలి మనం. అలాగే అత్యాధునిక వైద్య సేవలను అందిస్తోంది. ఫారినర్స్కి ఇండియన్స్కి కూడా మంచి వేదిక అయింది అపోలో హాస్పిటల్. విశాఖపట్నం 6వ బ్రాంచ్లో ఎక్స్పెషల్లీ కూడా హైజీనిక్, నీట్, క్లీన్, అది కూడా చాలా చక్కగా పేషెంట్స్ ఎంతో సాటిస్ఫై అవుతున్నారని చెప్పేసి మనకి అపోలో సేవ చెప్పడం జరిగింది. కెమెరామెన్ శివాతో హారిక, SDV విశాఖపట్నం.